I know it's going to sound a bit soon to be talking about Christmas, but Christmas Fest is coming up, and it's going to be coming up very quick, and we are looking for volunteers to get involved to help us this year to reach our community. So this year's Christmas Fest is happening on the 13th of December, and we want to see you all there to enjoy the festivities. So make sure that you are there and that you do come, and if you're able to volunteer, please do let the team know, because we do need the help. And tickets will be on sale from Sunday the 12th of October. So you want to be first to get yours, for your neighbours, for yourselves, for your family, for your friends, for your whole community. We want to see everyone having fun at Christmas. So make a note of that.
We're fighting for solutions to build up better times. And if they go low, we are gonna go high. We are here to stay and we will never die. So what does it take to be human?
As Christians, we are tasked to introduce Jesus Christ to every person. Operation Christmas Child gift boxes open those doors.
The greatest gift you can give to anyone is a knowledge of God and His Son, Jesus Christ.
Through the gift boxes, we are helping churches to see this as an outreach to those that have never heard the gospel.
We are seeing children coming to the Lord, taking the gospel back to their families.
And the gospel continues to go places it has never gone before.
Every box is an opportunity for a child to hear that Christ came to this earth for them. Keep packing these boxes and continue to pray for these children. God bless you.
Breaks the silence, turn weapons into love. We are the rebels of hope.
Courageous Men, Saturday 18th of October, men's breakfast. Make sure you sign up online. Be there.
Bring peace to all the restless. We are the son of the bones, and we tear down all the.
So don't forget, you've got Connect groups this week, and that is all for church news. And don't forget to join us next week for our baptismal service, where we'll get to see our candidates take that next step in their faith. Have a great week, guys.